This training is going to walk you through how to check up on your users' progress and download reports on their course progress and quiz scores. So the best way to get at this is to go to Group Management to start with. And then once you're on Group Management, scroll down to Report. And you want to select the course. So for example, if I want to check in on the compliance rules for this year, I'm going to click Show Report. And this is going to give me a list of all my users. It's going to give me my course progress, so if they've finished the course. And then they're going to show any rewards, so if they got a certificate when they pass a test. So they have to get 9 out of 10 to pass a test. And so this is a quick and easy way to see who has completed everything. If you need to come in here and get a report, you'll simply go to View Reports up here. And this is going to take you into the back end of the system. And in the back end of the system, you can export progress. Now this report is going to export the progress for all your users on the courses that they're taking. And so I'm just going to save that. Let's open that up and I'll show you a few key details on this. So in here you have their user ID, you can ignore that. The name and email address, you want to keep those. The course title. So you can see the compliance rules and regs, and then the course complete, yes, no, and so you want to, that's a good column to keep in there. You can get course completion date. I'd recommend keeping that. You don't need the time or the completion items here, and you don't really need the last login date. So if you want to just cut some of these columns out and send it to your auditor, you can do that. If you need us to do that for you, we're happy to. Just send an email to prepaidsupport@prepaidpm.com, and we're happy to do that for you. So the next one I want to show you is the export results. The export results is the quiz scores. So you're going to click on your export results, and that's going to save another file for you. And again, once you're in here, it's going to kind of give you a data dump. And so you're going to need the name and email address here. You can ignore the ID. The quiz titles, you're going to have the policy reviews, and then you're going to have the quiz scores here. And then you can have their score. I would recommend doing the points here rather than the score. The date that they took the quiz. You can also use the percentage here. The percentage and the points are going to be the same. And then passed, yes or no, and then course title, and then that tells you which course it belonged to. Some of these other columns you can delete, and so you can send this report on to your auditor. Now, if you need us to do this for you, we're happy to. Just send an email to prepaidsupport@prepaidpm.com, and we'll take care of that for you. Thank you.